Every household in Hawaii is different, but every household in Hawaii should be 2 weeks ready.
Ready to shelter safely for up to 14 days if their home becomes isolated or cut off from a storm, earthquake, or other hazard.
Being 2 weeks ready means setting aside emergency supplies. Every kit will have some items in common, like food, water, medicine, and a radio that will work even if the power goes out. A flashlight and extra batteries is also a good idea.
Every kit will also be unique. Your ohana has its own special needs, and your kit should reflect them. In these videos, we'll look at the needs of different households, including the needs of keiki and kapuna. Yes, and pets too.
We'll talk story about how to plan and build an emergency kit that's right for your home, how to keep it up to date, how to deal with the challenges like too little space to store items.
It all starts with making a plan that's right for you. That's what we'll talk about in the next episode.